Welcome to this quick guide on how to disable the translate icon in Google Chrome. If you're tired of that translation pop-up interrupting your browsing, don't worry. I'll show you how to turn it off in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Start by opening your Chrome browser. Make sure you're on the main screen where your tabs and bookmarks are visible. Step 2. Access the menu. Look to the top right corner of your browser. See those 3 vertical dots? That's the customization menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu packed with options. Step 3. Go to Settings. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can adjust and personalize various features. Step 4. Locate the translation settings. In the Settings menu, scroll until you find the Languages section. Click on it to expand the options. Here, you'll see a setting labeled Offer to translate pages that aren't in a language you read. Step 5. Disable the translate icon. To turn off the translation pop-up, simply toggle this option off. Once disabled, you won't be interrupted by translation prompts while browsing. Reactivating the feature. If you ever want to re-enable the translate icon, just revisit these settings and toggle the option back on. It's that easy. And there you have it. By following these quick steps, you can enjoy a distraction-free browsing experience in Google Chrome. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more Chrome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy browsing!